This video will show you how to fix when your iPhone battery explode like this one. I haven't seen anything like that so far. So I went for holidays for 6 months and this suddenly explode. So basically in order to fix this, you press this and with a proper screwdriver, you remove the screws slowly. Remember to press some pressure in order to get this down. And after, definitely it's a battery problem. So although if you go to Apple and you report these, they will replace this free of charge. And wow, look this battery, where it become from. It's crazy, it's a disaster. So it might be a bit dangerous as well, so take care. And after you unscrew these parts and you done. So continue with this. Unscrew. So you remove like this the battery, and hopefully this can be removed like this, and after place this back or replace within your battery. In other terms, your iPhone is still operational, so it should work. Thank you for watching.